Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about mindset. Okay, mindset is 50% of your success if you're doing an online business. Okay, the 50% left is due to the budget. If you have the budget to start an online business, that's great, but you need to have the mindset. If you have the mindset, you're going to need to have the budget because starting an online business require an initial budget. So in today's video, I'm going to give you 5 tips in regards to mindset that you're going to need to change in order to increase your chance to succeed online. So let's get started. Okay, number 1, get rid of toxic people. I don't care who are those toxic people. They could be your friends, your family, your relatives, your neighborhoods, your life partner. You're gonna need to get rid out of those people. Anyone, and when I say anyone, I mean it. Anyone who is not aligned with you, who is not aligned with your goals, who is not aligned with your project, get rid out of him or of her. This is so important. Take it as if you're gonna go to a pilgrimage meeting God. Okay, you're gonna leave everything behind you in order to meet God. Okay, take it an example just like that. Toxic people are a huge waste of time, and you don't need that for your beginning. Okay, you don't need that. You don't need someone who's gonna distract you, someone who's gonna talk all the day about soccer, about baseball, about I don't know what. They talk about bad things, about the grocery prices increase, about politics, about religions, about the war, about I'm not saying that's not important. Okay, that's so important in order to know what's happening in politics, in economy, what's happening here and there. But you don't need to spend all your day talking about this. It's okay to talk about this 5, 10, 15 minutes. That's okay. But talking about this all the day, following the influencer, following the celebrity at each time, at each hour, at each minute, this is a huge waste of time. And many people they just do that. Okay, I recently went to TikTok to check the lives on TikTok. This is terrible. This is so terrible. This is just a waste of time. TikTok lives, etc. This is just a waste of time. You don't need that, guys. Okay, so number 1, try to avoid toxic people. Try to define who are the toxic people in your life, people who are not aligned with your goals and dreams, and get rid out of them. Okay, number 2, and this is a big joke. Money doesn't make happiness. This is the biggest scam in the world. I'm talking about that because now I have the money. Marouane now versus Marouane before versus Marouane years ago is better. Okay, I'm more happier than before because I have more money. Okay, I can afford almost everything I want. I'm not a millionaire, I'm not a billionaire, but I am rich. In the country where I'm now, I'm in Morocco. The minimum salary here is about $300 per month. $300, I can make it just in one sale by selling screw theme. Okay, this is digital product. The engineer salary here, the engineers begins with about $900 per month. In just 3 sales, if I make just 3 sales a day of screw theme, I have the engineer salary per month. I'm now richer than before, and one thing I can tell you, money makes happiness. Indeed, it's not gonna make you happy at 100%, but it's gonna solve 99% of your problems. If you want to buy a house, you're going to buy it. If you want to buy a car, you're going to buy it. If you want to buy something that you like, you can buy it. If you want to travel the world, you can travel the world. And this is included in the happiness. And happiness is not just about money. When you have more free time, this is happiness. When you're flexible in your work, this is also included in happiness. When you can fully enjoy your life, this is happiness. This is what we can define happiness. Money, travel, success, freedom, and all that, it's the money that's gonna bring you that. This quote, money doesn't make happiness, is done by some people who don't want you to make money in order to stay a slave for them, in order to work for a minimum wage for them, in order to let them make more money. And this is also included in the mindset. Try not to believe or to listen to anyone or to everyone on social media, okay? God gave you a brain. You need to think of your brain. This person here who is talking, is he honest or not? Is he telling the truth or not? For example, some people who are talking about drop shipping, I made millions of dollars in drop shipping. Just think, use your brain, guys, to think. This guy, does he have his own online dropshipping store or not? How many years has been in e-commerce? Does he have other businesses than social media or YouTube? Put yourself those questions, try to answer them, and you're gonna come out with a result. If this guy is telling the truth or not, or this guy is just wanted to make money from YouTube. So this is just a simple example. There are a lot of examples. And the conclusion is money does make happiness. So change your mind about that. Money makes happiness. Number 3, investing versus spending. Great people invest. Average people spend, and you need to differentiate between that, okay? Some requests we got on Scrub theme. For example, someone want to create a Shopify store. I charge $2,500 or even $3,000 for creating a Shopify store, and the guy say, oh, this is so expensive. This is not expensive for an experienced guy who gonna help you increase your chance to succeed online. It's true that it's impossible to give you the guarantee that you're gonna succeed at 100%, but I'm gonna increase the chance for you to succeed, okay? And the problem is, average people, they try to look for some free stuff or some cheap stuff in the beginning, but they end up paying a lot more than great people or than rich people. I saw this example on Shopify because a lot of people, they start with a free Shopify theme. Okay, it's free, it's $0. But as soon as the times goes, they're gonna need to invest in SEO, invest in store speed up, invest in design, invest in development, etc. But the great people and the rich people, they start with a premium Shopify theme. For example, we have Scrub, it's $300 per month. Great people, they start with that. But they, even if they paid at the beginning $300, they're gonna end up with gaining a Shopify theme, which is pre-made, fast, pre-made, SEO friendly, and pre-made with a lot of features that this person doesn't need to have an app to install a paid app in order to run the store or to make it more professional. So this is just an example. Average people, they spend money. Great people, they invest, and they can differentiate between spending and investing. For example, the location where I'm now, okay, it's a rented apartment. I'm renting this apartment in order to work, and I already talked about that in my previous video when I said you need to separate your business life from your personal life. This is an apartment I rent about $400 per month. And I pay a housemaid here to make the cleanup and the stuff related to the house. So I gain more free time in my journey. I separate my personal life from my business life. But this is an investment because $400 per month here, it's about the average monthly salary here in Morocco. But I'm renting this apartment in order to be focused 100% when I am working for myself and for my client. So this is an investment. This is not a spending. I'm not spending money, I'm investing money. And this is what I need you to know, guys. Differentiate between spending and investing. Number four, and it's gonna bring us back to the number three. Don't try to do everything by yourself. This is also included in the mindset, okay? Because a lot of people, they try to do everything by themselves, creating the logo, the store design, connecting the store to the Google Search Console, SEO. They try to do everything by themselves. And even for people who have the money, have the budget to hire people, they try to do everything by themselves. And this brings us back to the previous one, number three, investing versus spending. You need to invest, guys. You need to think about it. You are the boss, okay? You need to hire people to do the easy tasks and the systematic tasks, okay? You need to create a Shopify store or an e-commerce store. Hire someone to do it. I'm not saying that to hire me. You can hire another person, okay? Hire people to do the job and focus on your management tasks. Focus on your goals. What I'm gonna do, which partners I'm gonna choose, what's the way I'm gonna be doing in order to scale up my business, okay? If you try to do everything by yourself, you're gonna end up by being exhausted, you're gonna lose motivation because perhaps the business is not gonna work, you're gonna lose the energy, and you're gonna lose the stamina. So try not to do everything by yourself. Take it easy, guys, mainly in the first year. Try to take it easy, slow down, and if you have the budget, try to hire people. If you don't have the budget, it's okay to do everything by yourself at the beginning, but as soon as you can afford it, as soon as you have the money, try to hire your first employee. It could be a part-time job. You can hire some freelancers on Fiverr. It's cheap there, okay? So you need to have this mindset. Try not to do everything by yourself if you have the budget, guys. Number five, and put this in your head, success is not overnight. You're not gonna succeed this month. You're not gonna succeed today. You're not gonna succeed the next month. You're not gonna succeed in 3 months. You're not gonna succeed in 6 months. It could happen, okay? It could happen. If it happens, it's a miracle. But we are not believing in miracles for now. We are believing in what is achievable. It's what is doable. It's what is touchable. Okay? So, success is not overnight. You need to work hard for it. You need to invest your time and money. You need to work hard. You need to hire people. You need to manage. You need to look for partners. You need to look for new products. You need to optimize the product. You need to optimize the store. You need to reach out to more customers. You need to deal with your current customers. You need to talk with the prospect. You need to market the business. Okay, it's not easy. It's not overnight unless you have a $10 million in budget, and even if you have some millions in budget, it's not overnight. It takes time. Just a simple example with that, SEO, search engine optimization. This takes time. This takes at least 6 months in order to see effective results. Okay, this is a simple example. So guys, success is not overnight. Work for it. Wait for the result at least 6 or 12 months. Put this in your head. If you start with the idea that you're gonna succeed in 1 month, and if it doesn't work, you're gonna lose everything. You're gonna lose the motivation, you're gonna be exhausted, you're gonna lose everything. And try not to follow fake gurus who are telling you use this formula, you're gonna earn money in 2 or 3 weeks. No, man, those guys, most of them, I'm not telling all, they're lying to you. Okay, you are the product for those guys. They just want to sell you a course, to sell you a product, to sell you a mentorship, to earn from video ads views, etc. So success is not overnight. Put this in your head. Work for it, get the stamina, and don't stop until it works. Number 6, and this is the most important one, and this is a summary of all what I have said. Your best weapon, your nuclear bomb, is your time. Okay, employees and people who work from 9 to 5 job, they are paid by hours or by day or by week, but you are not paying per hours. You're paying, or you have been paid, you will be paid by your performance. By your performance. I repeat it again. You will be paid by your performance, how you perform. And performance comes with the time. Your best weapon is your time. You're gonna need to invest to free up more time in your daily journey. I talked about how to free up your time in my previous video. Some mistakes I used to do in the past. For example, when I just get up from bed, I used to turn on my phone and my internet. And this was a big mistake because I got distracted. I got distracted by messages, by notifications, and sometimes with bad news from my family. So my entire day is ruined by simply turning on my phone and my internet at the beginning of my day. So guys, your best weapon is your time. The more you can afford it, hire some people to gain more time for you. For example, you can hire someone to do the systematic tasks. You're gonna free up some couple hours in your day that you can use them to, for example, look for partners, to scale up your business, to look for new product. You have only 24 hours a day. If we take off 8 hours for sleeping, a couple hours for eating, for working out, for a break, for etc., you have only about 8 hours a day or 9 hours a day. You need to be the more performant possible in those working hours. And as I said, you're not being paid by hours, you're being paid by performance. How many sales you're gonna need to do today? How many sales you're gonna need to do in 3 months? So this is the performance. The way you run your business, the way you partner with some other people, the way you hire people, the way you work, the way you advertise your business or product, the way you market them is gonna give you the results. So your best weapon is your time, and this is a great entrepreneur mindset. So guys, those were some quick advices in order to change your mindset, because this is so important in order to succeed online. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in the next video.